Welcome again to my channel. Today let's simplify this, which is 30 to the power of 50 divided by 60 to the power of 25 is equals to what? So we want to simplify this to the lowest form. So please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and please turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop new videos on mathematics. And also please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button and share this video to as many as you can who love mathematics. So let's simplify this challenge. So it's a solution. Okay, so solution, the question says 30 to the power of 50 over 60 to the power of 25 is equals to what? Okay, having this. So first of all is to simplify 30. So what is 30? Okay, we're having 30. 30 is equals to 15 times 2. Okay, 15 times 2, which is 30. From here, I will know 60 to be equals to 15 times 2 times 2. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So if we should put all this into this and this, we simply have this to be 30 to the power of 50 over 60 to the power of 25 is equals to 15 times 2 all to the power of 50, okay, divided by 15 times 2 times 2 all to the power of 25. Okay, haven't done this. From here we are going to apply some of the indices rule, which says if you're having a times b all to the power of m, okay, it's also equals to a to the power of m times b to the power of m. Okay, so if we put this rule at this numerator and this denominator, we simply have this to be 30 to the power of 50 over 60 to the power of 25 is equals to 15 to the power of 50, okay, times 2 to the power of 50, okay, over 15 to the power of 25 times 2 to the power of 25 times 2 to the power of 25. Okay, so this is what we are now having. Okay, from here, what are we simply going to do? So from here, we are going to apply a rule which says if you're having a to the power of b times a to the power of c is also equals to a to the power of b plus c. So if we apply this rule, this rule at this part, we'll simply have this to be 30 to the power of 50, okay, over 60 to the power of 25 is equals to 15 to the power of 50, okay, times 2 to the power of 50 over 15 to the power of 25 times, so apply this rule now. This rule at this part, we have this to be 2 to the power of 25 plus 25. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So we haven't done this, so we can say 30 to the power of 50 over 60 to the power of 25 is equals to 15 to the power of 50, okay, times 25 to the power of 50 over 15 to the power of 25, okay, times 2 to the power of 50, 2 to the power of, because 25 plus 25 is going to give us 50. So from here, we are now having 30 to the power of 50 over 60 to the power of 25 is equals to 15 to the power of 50 times 2 to the power of 50 over 15 to the power of 25 times 2 to the power of 50. Okay, so from here now we can simplify this further by saying or 30 to the power of 50 over 60 to the power of 25, okay, is equals to 15 to the power of 50 over 15 to the power of 25 times 2 to the power of 50, okay, over 2 to the power of 50. Okay, so from here you can now see that this and this will go. Okay, we are now left with 30. We are now left with 30 to the power of 50, okay, over 60 to the power of 25, okay, equals to 15 to the power of 50 over 15 to the power of 15 to the power of 25 times 1, and anything times 1 is the same number, right? Okay, so from here we can come further here, we can solve further here by saying 30 to the power of 50, okay, over 60 to the power of 25 is equals to 15 to the power of 50, okay, over 15 to the power of 50. Remember, 15 to the power of 50 over 15 to the power of 25. 15 to the power of 25. So this is what we are now having now. So from here we are now having 30 to the power of 50 over 60 to the power of 25 is equals to 15 to the power of 50 over 15 to the power of 25. So from here we are going to apply an indices rule again, which is if you're having a to the power of c over a to the power of b is equals to a to the power of c times a to the power of minus b, okay, which is also equals to a to the power of c minus b. So if we put this rule, we just wrote this rule at this part, we have this to be 30 to the power of 50, okay, over 60 to the power of 25 is equals to 15 to the power of 50 minus let's solve for that, times 15 to the power of minus 25, okay, we're not having this is, so we're now having 30 to the power of 50 over 60 to the power of 25 is equals to 15 to the power of 50 minus 25, okay. So having done this, so from here this is what we're now having. So we're now having 30 to the power of 50 over 60 to the power of 25 is equals to 15 to the power of 50 minus 25 is going to give us 25. So 30 to the power of 50 divided by 60 to the power of 25 is equals to 15 to the power of 25. So this is the lowest simplification. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button if you have not done that, and also don't forget to hit on the notification button, and please click on the thumbs up button and help me to share this video to as many as you can who love mathematics. Thank you very much once again